limestone and rock. Blizzard warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations up to 1 inch. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles an hour. Where? Portions of northwest Iowa and southwest Minnesota. When? Until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Whiteout conditions will make travel extremely dangerous or impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday evening commute. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. A winter weather message for the following county: Lake, South Dakota. Blizzard warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. What? Blizzard conditions. Additional snow accumulations up to 1 inch.